Hello traders, welcome back. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the constant up and down noise on the smaller time frames like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, then it's time to look at the weekly candle. The weekly candle is not just a candle. It's the grand map that tells you the market's true direction, helping you filter out all the noise and identify the most reliable price zones for placing trades. And now let's find out, what does the weekly candle reveal? The weekly candle summarizes all the price action over the 5 trading days, which is Monday to Friday. This makes an extremely powerful analytical tool. It shows the power of big money flow. Institution traders, large funds, and banks do not make decisions based on 15-minute candles. They look at the greater time frames. Therefore, the signals of the price levels formed on the weekly chart reflect the consensus of the large capital and possess high reliability. And it also filters market noise. The weekly candle helps you filter out all minor price fluctuations, and we usually call this noise, and the short-term liquidity sweeps. It focuses solely on the genius trend and momentum. Besides, weekly candle help you identify the primary trend. And the golden rule I advise you in today's video is always look at the weekly trend to determine your optimal trading direction. Always look at the weekly trend to determine optimal trading direction. If you see a series of weekly candles closing higher, you must prioritize looking for buy opportunities, even if the 15-minute chart is declining. And for the momentum, the size of the weekly candle body tells you how strong the primary momentum is. A sequence of large body bullish candles is a powerful signal the current trend is set to continue. And lastly, it will help you avoid traps. If you're a scalper, knowing the weekly trends is bullish will help you never fall into taking a large short trade just because of a sharp 5-minute decline. And next, support and resistance zones from the weekly chart are the highest value level. They are high-value zones. The highs and lows formed by the weekly candles are the areas where the large institutions have invested significant capital to protect outbreak. When the price revisited this zone, the reactions is usually very strong and clear, and also for the pullback confirmation. When the price pulled back to the weekly support zone, this is absolutely the best place for scalper to wait for the price action signal, like pin bar or engulfing, on a smaller time frame like 1 hour or 30 minutes, and enter buy trade. And the last one is the stop loss node. When trading at the weekly chart zones, you can trust your signal more, allowing you to place stop loss logically and trade with calculated volume. In summary, the weekly candles give you a general view to determine where the main battle is taking place. A professional trader uses the weekly candle to set the context, but actual action happens on a smaller time frame. And remember, trading in the direction of the weekly candle is the most fundamental rule for sustainable surviving and growth in the market. Happy trading and see you in the next video.